Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.
Rachel Ramsey here at IT Expo in Miami. I am here with Jeannie Zames. She's the marketing director for Vitelity. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Rachel. Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about Vitelity and what you do.
Sure. Vitelity is a privately owned voice over internet provider, and we provide other telephony services, including text and fax and voiceover and hosting, those kinds of services.
Got it. Okay. So what I want to talk to you today about is vMobile. Tell me about this.
vMobile is this great new product that we're introducing here, and it truly is revolutionary. What vMobile does is it allows you to integrate your cell phone fully with your PBX system, basically allowing you to take that technology and all of that functionality anywhere your cell phone can go.
Okay. Cool. So is this an app that we put on our phones? Or?
No, actually that's what makes it truly different than anything else that's out there. Everything is integrated natively on your phone, and we're working right now with Android phones, and the first phone that we'll be selling is the Nexus 5. Everything is on the phone straight out of the box, and it functions completely with any SIP-enabled PBX system.
Got it. Okay. And who are you working with the different types of partners to deliver vMobile?
We are working with all of the different, or variety of different mobile carriers to make sure that everything works effectively. And I mean, and it's great. And you think about all of the things that you can do with your office phone when you're sitting at work, where you can transfer calls, you can use just the 4-digit extensions, you can set up conference calls, you can do monitoring, you can do all of those kinds of things anywhere your cell phone can go. And one of the cool things too is it allows you to use multiple phone numbers, so you can maintain all of the functionality that your phone has and have different calls for your family and your friends or your work calls, and you can set it up so that at the end of your workday it takes you out of the phone queue. So for example, if you're someone who's in customer service or sales and you normally are part of that phone queue, you can take yourself out of that after the end of business hours. It really is a revolutionary way. You know, I kind of think about it that it's taken your phone system here in the building and now it basically expands anywhere in the world.
Yeah, and like you said, revolutionary and game-changing are some of the words that I've heard to describe vMobile. So what exactly was happening that made you want to deliver this? What were customers demanding it? Were you noticing challenges among people?
Sure. You know, it's one of those, and actually Chris Brown is the gentleman who's done a fair amount of the development, and he's even here at the show and is doing the demos. And as I was talking to him about the development of the product, he said it was a feature set that customers have been asking for a long time. And you think about how we all interact with our cell phones and our work phones, and you don't go anywhere with your phone. It's almost funny when you see a movie and it's before cell phones were invented and you think to yourself, use your cell phone. And it was functionality that people were asking for, and using apps and using things like call forwarding just wasn't really doing it. And he really thought outside the box and thought of different ways that we could put this together, and we've gotten it done, and it's very cool.
Excellent. Great. Well, thank you so much, Jeannie.
I
hope you enjoy the rest of the show. It was great to meet you and talk to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Rachel.
Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.